Good afternoon everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of Sights with Steve down Weymouth. So I've parked in the pavilion car park because from my experience this is the best place to park down here, the least stressful and the most chance of getting a parking space. There's the pavilion right by there, and this is the other side of the beach. Now this side is all sand. Like I said, there's cafes, fairs. This is the side with the town. So let's go and show you. By the way, if you didn't see part 1, I'll put down a card in the top corner for you now. You should watch that first. That's down the quieter side of Weymouth Beach. So this is Weymouth High Street. So it's a pretty long street, like a normal town, with lots of side streets coming off it, with lots of beach shops. So this is the Weymouth Harbour. I'll get the drone out now and show you properly. Quite a big harbour actually. So there's all that harbour down there. Sorry about the wind if you can hear it. And then here is that bridge, which splits in the middle and rises up. The other side of the bridge. Plenty of pubs and cafes along the harbour by here. And just down there is the mouth of the harbour. Hopefully off to show you the beach now. It's obviously where the lifeboat station is over there. So there's the bit of the children's fair and an arcade. Got some more rides on the beach by there. You've also got the donkeys, the Helter Skelter, that funny shaped roof, that's a cafe, and then right by here is beach volleyball. Some public toilets about halfway down the beach. So as you can see, it's a beautiful beach, lovely and clean and lovely and big. It gets pretty busy in the summer, but it doesn't get full because it's that big. So there we go, that was Weymouth. Did you enjoy that? And that's my little helper from today. Thank you.
Like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now.
Like she says, please like, comment and subscribe, and we see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.